What's up, everybody? This is your boy Jacques, and here's another episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays. In these series of videos, I'll be giving you access to different properties down here in Florida, give you some wealth tips and gems, and I'll try to do it in about 2 minutes. So let's get started. This week I'm out here in Weston, Florida, ready to show you a gorgeous home in the community along the coast of the Everglades called Botanical. This home that I'm going to show you has just sold for $2.2 million. Now before the owners move in, let me show you this gorgeous home. This model is called the Oberheim Architecture Residence 038. Botanical Weston offers a sophisticated collection of 125 distinctive homes designed by Chad Oberheim and Ronnie J. Mateo. As soon as you walk up to the door of this home, you can instantly feel the earthy and organic touches that make this place so special. There are plenty of exotic trees and organic touches throughout the property, and it just makes you feel like you have this huge home in the middle of an island, and you're just surrounded by nature, which I love. As I walked through the doors, I felt like I was in an art exhibit. The colors matched the home well, and it felt really good. It comes with no surprise that the interior designer of Botanical is none other than Venus Williams. In the front of the home, you have the entry foyer, living and dining room, and a bar for your wine collection. This home has 5 bedrooms and 6.5 baths with a meeting room and staff. Like the 5 bedroom and 6.5 bath wasn't enough, you also get a meeting room and a staff. Jeez. The square footage is approximately 7,700 square feet, where 5,293 of that is the total interior, and 2,840 is for the exterior. Now before I show you guys the kitchen and a beautiful backyard, let's go upstairs. This area right above the staircase is called a family room, and this area will be perfect to go read a book, do some homework, or just relax after a long day. The master bedrooms upstairs are huge, and they come with a his and her closet, or should I say a hers and hers closet. The rooms are very spacious and have nice touches to them, such as smart thermostats and chandeliers. The rooms also have their own private patio area facing the pool and backyard for those quiet and intimate moments. Now let's go to the backyard and check out the beautiful pool and patio area. The outside total exterior is 2,840 square feet. Now to be honest with you guys, every time I went to the backyard, I instantly felt like I was on vacation again. This home makes you feel like you're alone on an island or a tropical jungle with vines, trees, and foliage all around you. This pool also had a built-in jacuzzi, and I see why, with this backyard, why the residents never leave the home. Our real estate, an easy way to sell a home is to always have an upgraded kitchen or have a really nice bathroom. And I'm telling you, I'm sure the owner walked in here, looked at the kitchen and said, sold, I'll take it. The kitchen has so many state-of-the-art appliances, such as a built-in coffee maker, up-to-date smart appliances, and a huge island in the middle of the kitchen. Question of the day: what's your favorite part of this home? Please drop your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching another episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know what area in Florida you'd like me to visit next. I hope you have a wonderful day and week, and see you guys in the next video.